Some people believe that crystals are just beautiful trinkets with no real use. This is of course very untrue, and today we are going to tell you how you can use crystals every day. You can simply put it on display at your home as a decoration. It will not only add to the beauty of your household, but will also give you its healthy properties 24/7. Shungite, for example, will protect your home from harmful EMF and 5G radiation and other negative influences and unwanted energies. You can use crystal properties in meditations. Crystals can give you a lot in terms of energy and vibes, as well as connect with your intentions and start manifesting it. Carry it with you everywhere you go. Crystals give you their energies and properties non-stop, so you shouldn't miss out by leaving them at home. That is why there are smaller stones, like elite Shungite nuggets, that will make sure that you are protected and in the right mood all day long. Wear it as a jewelry. A lot of crystals are produced into jewelry pieces. Shungite alone has Shungite bracelets, necklaces, rings, pendants, and earrings. This is the way to combine everyday comprehensive healing and protection with beautiful addition to your personal style. Make crystal-infused water. Crystals can give you a lot in terms of health, and some of them can create health elixirs if they are placed in water and left there for several hours. This is very true for Shungite, as you may already know, and can give you numerous benefits regarding your health. Use it to make your plants feel better. Crystals can improve not only your life, but also the life of your home plants. A lot of crystals have positive effects on their growth, health, and fertility. Crystal-infused water will also provide all those effects if you will water your plants with it. You can combine the power of crystals with similar properties in a crystal grid. Just set your intentions, pick correct crystals, and pick a pattern, and that is a straight way towards manifesting those intentions. And last but not least, you can sleep with your crystals. Those crystals that provide you with calming and soothing energy are highly beneficial in improving your sleep patterns and getting rid of nightmares. After a night with a crystal nearby, you will be totally ready to meet the new day with ease. Those are the little simple things that can greatly improve your everyday life in time. Purchase Shungite and feel the power of crystal healing from the best of Karelian nature.